Hi, welcome to this week's Caravan. I've got two beautiful homes for you this week, an old one and a new one. I just saw 500 North Avenue 65. It's a 1905 Victorian located in the historic Arvanza district here in Highland Park, and it is a beauty. Boy, those floors, I couldn't believe that they're original. The wood details everywhere you look, they've kept them all, they've done them up. Looks so good. They got window seats, double hung windows. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a great master suite. They did a great job with the bathrooms. So you've got all these great historic details, but with all the modern conveniences. New HVAC system, stainless steel appliances in the kitchen, and a really nice waterfall island. It's a real stunner. I think it's going to go quickly. Listed at $1,099,000 with Harma Hartooni of Keller Williams Encino. All right, off to the new one. And I just saw 1437 North Avenue 57, the new build, built in 2018, up in the hills of Highland Park. This is just a stunning home. You walk in and it is just totally open. All of the finishes are just so yummy. Surround sound in all the living spaces, a kitchen that is to die for. Huge deck that just overlooks canyon views. You can see mountains. It was really an incredible home. Downstairs are the 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. The master ensuite. I don't know. I don't think I'd ever want to leave. It is just so beautiful. Killer views, glass walls. It's just a beautiful home. This is listed with Deirdre Salomone of L34 Group, and it's listed at 1.499. So if you or anyone you know is looking, please have them give me a call, reach out to me. I'd love to help them find their perfect home in our lovely Highland Park. All right, I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.